Hey, Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you how to play the G major open scale. The G major open scale. And don't forget to subscribe and the like. Now, the G major open scale has one sharp in it. It's the F sharp. Now, let me show you what it looks like and sounds like. Now what we're going to do is start off here on the 6th string, 3rd fret with the ring finger and play that G. The next note is going to be on the 5th string and we're going to play that open A. And then the next note is going to be on the 5th string, 2nd fret with the middle finger. We'll play that B. The next note will be again on the 5th string, 3rd fret, with the ring finger. We're going to play that C. The next note will be on the 4th string. We'll play that open D. And then the next note is going to be on the 4th string, 2nd fret, with the middle finger. We'll play that E. The next note is going to be in the 4th string with a pinky finger on the 4th fret, and we'll play that F sharp. The next note is going to be in the 3rd string. We'll play it open, that G. Then we'll play in that 3rd string, 2nd fret with the middle finger, that A. Then we're going to play on the 2nd string, that open B. Then on the 2nd string, we're going to play on the 1st fret with the index finger, the C. Then on the 2nd string, we're going to play on the 3rd fret on the with a ring finger, the D. Then, on the 1st string, we'll play that open E. On the 1st string, we're going to play that F sharp again on the 2nd fret with the middle finger. And then, on the 3rd fret with the ring finger, we'll play that G. So this is what it looks like and sounds like. Again, that's your G major open scale. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my other videos and keep on jamming.